Let's understand the concept of cascading keys, a small concept, very interesting and useful one. Let's see where exactly it is, where exactly it has to be used. First, let's understand the concept together. Then we'll see. Use TempDB. Create table, courses table. Course name, duration, course status, course name, okay, varchar primary key, duration, check either 120 or 180. Okay, here it is. Course status bit, this is our table. Insert into table name values and select. Okay, so courses table ready. Now our requirement. Let's create another table called students table. Okay, see here, courses table ready, right? Course name, duration, status, straightforward. Now you have something called students table, something new here. What is that? ID, name, gender, age, it's okay. TININT means from our data types class. TININT is used to store 0 to 255 range of values. Okay, now our requirement. Course, varchar, references, above courses table, course name, above courses table, course name. This one, first column. On update cascade, on delete cascade. Okay, on update cascade, on delete cascade. What does it mean? Whenever we update the parent column, course name value of the course name column changes, child table, students table automatically gets changed on update. Same way delete. For example, for some reason robotics course got deleted, all students pertaining to robotics will also get cancelled or deleted. When flight got cancelled, respective reservations will be cancelled automatically. That is called on delete cascade. Let's see how it is. Create table name. Just now I created this table. Now insert data. It is a reference, so students should be enrolled for valid available course like computers, civil, maybe robotics. One more interesting thing here. Constraint name, constraint type, unique or primary key, anything, and